Mina. In this stop motion video, I want to show you how to draw an anime fox. I begin with the nose and draw forward to the ears. First, the ear that is towards you, then the ear that points away from you. The next step is to complete the mouth and jaw, because the fox wants to eat. Do not forget the eye, because the fox wants to look at you. When the eye is finished, you have to end the neck and do not forget the rook fur. Then you have to decide which way you want the fox. I want a sitting one, so I draw the back plus tail before the legs. Next, you have to draw the back leg, so that you know how big the fox will be. Then comes the second hidden back leg, and next I continue to draw the tail, so that I know where the front legs will be. Oh, shimata! I'm really sorry. You could not see how the tail looks, because it was outside of the capturing range. So I have to correct the position of the paper. Now I do the rest of the legs and the stomach. Then comes the tip of the tail, and at last I do the whisker. Now I begin with the colors. The nose is black and the ears is green, but the white in the eyes is now black. In the next step I make the shadows, because it is easier to think about the shadows before you make the rest. The iris is the only part in my drawing that will be colorful, because I like it to have a color accent. Next to the shadows, I think about the color arrangement. The stomach and the tip of the tail should be a little bit grey, nearly white. The hidden legs and the hidden ear should be nearly black. The rest is grey. Draw with lines so that you have a fur structure. So the lines should be in the right direction. When the lines are too hard, then make your finger a little bit wet and wish over your lines with it, so that the lines are getting thinner, so that you get a fine shadow, like this. Now the fox is finished. I hope my movie was useful for you and you will watch another movie